today, and I am joined with Mr. James.
Hi.
And we're wearing our Marvel shirt because, dun dun dun, if you can see with the sun, I'll insert a clip, if not. We're at the Franklin Institute for the Marvel exhibit, celebrating 80 years of Marvel and Captain America. Well, we are welcomed by Thor, and we got our tickets, so we are excited to do the Marvel exhibit. Woohoo! There's Mr. James, and I can't wait to do the gift shop afterwards.
This man used to look like by comedy.
Captain America.
Comics are enormously popular. This year, enemies of freedom threaten the world. It's time for
I found Spider-Man right here, and this is the one worn by Tom Holland in Spider-Man Homecoming. And here is Thor. Look at that hammer. Only the one who is worthy. And look who we have here. It is Loki. And it says it is worn by Mr. Tom Hiddleston. And it's plastic. Loki's helmet. Where's Mr. Tom Hiddleston? I'd like to see him. Oh mama, look who I found. Your man. Now we're in the Captain America section with Falcon. Mr. James, your man's over here. Falcon.
Oh, Falcon, yeah.
Daddy's favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Julie, you're still
I don't know.
I want a picture of her.
Yeah, I saw that.
find those anywhere.
Behold, I am
This is these are the actual things that they have, the actual Walkman.
So we just finished the Franklin Museum with the Marvel exhibit, and I believe it's going on until September 11th, was it? I'll put the dates in the section below. But it was worth it. It was $35 for adults, and that included the museum. Now, they said at nighttime you can get a pass just to do the Marvel, and that's probably a lot cheaper. But since we're only in Philadelphia for the day, we had to do this. So it was worth it. What was your favorite part?
Very informative. I just like seeing the minds behind all of this, Stan Lee and
Yeah.
Mr. Kirby.
The history.
Yep.
Yeah, it's impressive, 80 whole years, wow. And mine was Captain America, Spider-Man, and Thor, and Loki's helmet. Come on, you need more Loki. Get with it. So we are off on an adventure to find food now. But I give it a thumbs up. Do you?
Me too.
Alright, we are at Lay's Pizza. Finally walked about 4 miles.
Feels like it easily.
Yep, and Mr. Jim got a nice pizza. There's mine and lemonade, yum. In the car and we are headed home, and we got Pete's, a pumpkin chai, yum. And then we splurged. What did we get, Mama?
We got Mom a Earl of Sandwich.
Yes, so she's lucky. I wish they were gluten-free. But, oh well, we had a lovely day, didn't we?
We did.
Thank you so much for watching. I highly recommend the Marvel exhibit at Franklin before it goes away, so go see it. Alright, see you next time. Bye! Click that subscribe button.